Hi guys, thank you so much for being here. My name is Valerie. In this video, we are gonna add some decorative flair to a thrifted mirror. So let's get started. Now, one of the quickest ways to add decorative flair to anything is to add some trim. So I will be adding this trim to the back of the mirror. Stick with me now so you can see the whole look when we're done. So I'm going to use my glue gun and I'll go ahead and start putting some glue onto the back of this mirror and add in my trim. You want to stay as close to the edge as possible. Actually, this area is gonna look a little thicker, but that's okay. I'm not gonna cut all this excess off. I'm gonna go ahead and loop it over the other side. There we go. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get 3 pieces of this cord because I will be braiding them and then I will move on to the next step. Just got to make sure my cord is long enough because I'm going to be braiding it. So I think that should be good. I'll just get 3 pieces this length. Need another piece. There we go. There we go. Now I will just set the mirror aside. I'm going to tie the 3 pieces together. And then I'm going to call on my friend here for a little help. So I'm just going to hook this end right here. And I'm going to start braiding. Okay, I'm just going to make sure they're all the same length, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie it off right here. Okay, we'll just take this off. There we go. We have a braided rope. Thanks for your help. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the braided rope to the mirror. So I think I have it centered. And I'm just gonna put like a bead of glue here, bead, bead, bead. I'm not gonna do the whole thing all around. It's enough just to do little beads along. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tie the braided cord. Did I say cord sometime? Rope sometimes? You get what I mean, right? I have left a little neck here, so this is where I will hang it over a screw. You could use like a cup hook, but yeah, let's go ahead and hang it on the wall, and then we'll take the paper off the front so you can see what it looks like. Okay guys, I will let you be the judge. Go ahead and tell me what you think. I anxiously await your thoughts, so leave it in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe now before you leave. If you have visited the channel over and over and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and make that commitment, man. And remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching, liking, and sharing. I will see you in the next one.